The whole thing actually the whole phase one actually is happening in the recent 3 years, 4 years. And what we can see is that because of the lower entry barrier, it's actually start to challenge all those traditional corporation. Yep. And indeed, I can foresee that the use of the tailor-made implant or being built by a service provider will be a new routine or the golden standard very soon. But interestingly, this how we educate everyone in making the more simple, much simpler implants before they move into the phase two and phase three. In phase two, what we got is that what we actually got is that it's actually a bit harder to do because it's top of like resorbable implant or scaffold, and in most of the country, it's still regarded as a medical device. However, if you talk about like, oh, if you add some biological ingredient inside, like in FDA, they will regard it as a combined product, and it may be more risky and require more time to get it approved. But then it's also require a lot of scientific and engineering excellence before you can make it right. Because no matter which tissue you're doing, the upper limb, lower limb, upper body, lower body, the skull or maxillofacial surgery, whatever you can name it, it may require different kind of degradation rate, mechanical properties, or whether the time of degradation match the bone remodeling process. It requires a lot of studies. What my side can actually help is providing the experience in like choosing the correct material in the correct medical procedure. If people actually gain the experience in phase one, getting phase two done is still possible.